Today was a good day actually to fly in these drones in my RC Cybertruck. Make sure to like that, hit that follow button for more crazy more videos. Keep me up and I'll follow for more for you guys. And today I'll try to see if I can find some time and fly my drone with my dad outside. So just make sure to click that button below. I'm hoping we can hit like at least like 14 subscribers the most instead of having 6. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on public for you guys. So hit that follow button for more.
And this is my Tesla Cybertruck that I got from my. This is my Tesla. Oh, this is. Oh, probably need some bird. Okay, so here's my Tesla Cybertruck. It comes with great stunts. As you can see, my dad's complimenting it now. Don't move. It's gonna pop off of my head. Don't move. I'm concerning about this right now. I'm like shaking right now because how cold it is. Don't move. I'm trying to land on top of my head. I don't think it's working. Ow! That actually kind of hurt a little bit.
Why'd you move?
You bumped it into my... Ow! That actually hurt. Ah.
Let me see. Alright, fine.
Well, anyways, here's my Tesla Cybertruck again. And it looks like just a regular car. Put this down. Here, find it like over there. This is mine. You can find this anywhere, like I said. And it comes with a good battery, it's a quality on it. I think I'm gonna have to charge it though. Or I could just take the battery out real quick and put a new one in. That's what I'm gonna do. So you guys can like see it. But here's a couple of buttons on here, which I'm very proud of because they do a couple stunts, which I'm probably providing myself right now. And you can like move these, adjust them a little bit. Oh. Ow! Stop scratching me! Okay, move those propellers over to your military side. Okay. Let me fix these wheels real quick.